net gauges au unamono mbabwata normal corrugated na we go box corrugated asibe ko babwata Dumrang aywali ayechigage emeronge tato asama bati ali ayechigage emeronge bere na Isano na Isato mbabwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na we go na versatile mat MRM ni ko babwata lifestyle aywago chana Roman Jinko na we go web design mabati ligani kabwata chikala bunabone lia charcoal gray, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue na wigo na green. Obutambe bwe mabati liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasule asubwango edukenyega ya Ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Kasomyo mwanje murigereria nabo igo mugasomo twerere bweri tukerigaria 25 na kabere mutinyino yo kabere kero tutigarite neri tukari morioka ero mutinyo yego kabere oaka insemo akano yibotiri bubere 25 mwanje murigereria na mangi agendere kwenekiwa ense ite ya Kenya anene mono kora sora gongoriro age siasa kionga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ngomonye gatindi yari na kwariganeri nchenga tereni Nyaboga Wilson Makori kora sense meri manyeriro kabana into ikomwario Ibwense omoske Dr. William Samoei Ruto ni go atebire osini gasingire go tabuna tago chia kugani montone bwense gwatana na bakenya anene mono ase chingwana chokoreto bo kabira na boigo koreta ogwetana ase gatigati ya bakenya na boigo chikabira omora ibwense asibona atebire ni ge serikali yaje na bari bonse bakumubwatisia bobwate kirenge kerene kyokoreta magendero imense ya Kenya anene mono okwagacha chipara kwagacha chimba cherigorirense na okobeka estima wike binyoro bunenchire yamo yokora bia Chinsenyo au Chinse moske Ruto ni gayerire ko yakwana yega ase county ya Lamu abwo asari etaro ya magendero orogongo rwa coast keracha kyo murobere bwo kwena nestima ochase ebinyoro
na mpango yetu ni kufikisha stima kwa manyumba ya wananchi hapa Lamu East manyumba 1000 mpya ambazo zitawakisha stima makwao, na ni kwa sababu stima ni ya muhimu. Stima inatusaidia kusukuma mambo ya uchumi mbele. Stima inatusaidia mambo ya ajira. Na stima inatusaidia kuhakikisha kwamba huduma za serikali zinapatikana kwa njia ya sawa katika hospitali, shule na sehemu zingine ambazo huduma ya serikali inapatikana. Kenya is moving forward, and we will not allow people who are planless, people who have no vision, people who have no agenda for the country to derail us with negative ethnicity and useless politics that divides the country rather than unite us for the sake of the transformation of our country. Sitakubali. Na mimi nawapenda sana. Nikiona mumesimama hapa viongozi wote wa Lamu, mtu wasiwagawanye ati hawa ni wa Kikuyu, sijui hawa ni wa sehemu hii, ati hawa ni Waislamu, ati hawa ni wa kabila ile, ati hawa ni wa... Hiyo ni siasa duni ya ujinga. Kenya ni moja, nchi moja. Muwe kama ndugu moja, mshirikiane, mjenge Lamu, tujenge Kenya, tujenge Pwani. Hivyo ndivyo tutakavyojivunia kama wananchi wa taifa moja, na hakuna vile mmoja anaweza kufaulu bila mwenzake. Tutashirikiana hivyo, na mimi niko tayari kuunganisha Wakenya wote. Mkiniona ya kwamba nimenyosha mikono yangu hata kufikia wale tulishindana na wao, ni kwa sababu naamini kwa umoja wa taifa letu la Kenya, na ninaamini kila Mkenya ako na mchango wa kuchangia katika kuboresha taifa letu la Kenya.
Gereria tutigarete ase kaunti ya Lamu gose chinga kechecho ni gomo waziri wa mining omoske Ali Hassan Joho na bo igomo waziri orugwechi gosori na mangana yabasa omoske Salim Muvura baborira ba Kenya kumubwatise murai wense ase kirenga kyaye kyokoreta magendo na bo igoko moyo unenchera yemo yokweneke muno murai wense konyoraro mukya ase kirenga kyaye kyokoreta magendo ase ensi ya Kenya ase bo igomo governor wa kaunti ya Lamu omoske Aisatima minera mwiranira byo murai wense ase okorusia machika makongo anana mono kera abantu banuti Eastern bare konyora ebibande niche passport.
Tukimalizana na usawa wa kimaendeleo, ameweka agenda ya usawa wa kisiasa. Umeelewa? Pimeni hii kuunganisha wa Kenya, kupigana na ukabila, kukataa udini na kuchanganya watu na rangi na ukabila. It gives us an opportunity kwa watu ambaye wanatoka makabila machache kuwa na wao pia wana uwezo siku moja kuwa rais wa nchi hii. Tumeelewana? Nyinyi mtaki kutoa rais hapa? Ndao hamtaki? Hamtaki? So tuungane na William Ruto, rais wetu, kuunganisha wa Kenya.
Kwa hivyo tutaendelea kukuunga mkono, na jambo la muhimu zaidi ni ya kuunganisha wa Kenya. Wewe ndio rais ambaye umetambua kwamba kuna wakati wa kufanya siasa na wakati wa maendeleo, kila Mkenya aweze kuingia katika program ya maendeleo. Na haswa vile ambavyo umelete viongozi wa upinzani, yule mpinzani wako mkubwa Prime Minister Raila Odinga sasa naye yuko ndani ya serikali kupitia broad-based government. Na sasa timu yote imekuwa ni timu Kenya, tunachezea Kenya, na wewe ndio namba 10 wa kutufungia mabao.
Namshukuru rais kwa kutondoshea hii idhilali ya kuwekewa mambo ya vetting. Hii ni kuleta umoja na kila mwananchi awe anaangaliwa kama mwananchi wa Kenya. Hakuna mwananchi wa Kenya A na Kenya B. Sote ni wananchi wa Kenya. Kwa hivyo kiwa yule mwingine haulizwi vetting, na sisi pia tusiulizwe vetting. Basi mimi ni washukuru watu wa Ndao na vijiji vote vingine ambao tumekusanyika hapa kumpokea rais wetu. Hii ni kudhihirisha upendo wenu kwa rais wetu.
Mwanche murigereria tutigarete asenseme ya siasa anene mona kirama ge mwanche murigereria tutigarete asenseme ya siasa kirama Mwancho murigerea ngosaba kwabera asensemiri ya siasa ritkuria rero nigo ekiama kire kia Kenya gia chenchirireta na korokwa People's Liberation Party kia rikurawa n'umusubati Martha Karua muyega bokocha kia baine kia mekyo nigo gendete asenseme yemo asebono igatia barai ao bakorona Steven Kalonzo Musyoka kijana wa Mara na boigo rigatigashagwa boikirana ase umuroberi oyo.
Nishuja Martha Karua wondi yomana
and we thought, why not take purple, because it symbolizes the resolve in the face of this adversity that is meted to us by this regime. Our commitment thus for the purple color was settled on that. The second color is lilac. Lilac, with its richness and depth, symbolizes transformation and dignity. It also reflects our vision for a better Kenya, where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive and where each and every voice is heard. It is a color that, according to our vision as PLP, that reflects our belief for power change, positive and progressive change as a country. Finally, we all know white represents purity, clarity, and truth. And it is our reminder of our commitment for transparency, integrity, transparency, and the fundamental belief that we will stand in that aspect, especially where we are as a nation, where everything seems doom and dark.
More than ever. So come 2027, for us the youth, the ballot will be about our future. The ballot will be about our education. So kindly, our leaders, it is our plea as the youth. Let it not be about who becomes what. Put the interest of the people first.
So we congratulate you. And like Ruto has chosen many friends like the Janjaweed, Wakora, Wash, watu wengi. We have also chosen good friends like Martha Karua, like Wamalwa, like Kalonzo Musyoka, and of course, led by our leader, Rigathi Gachagua.
Murigereria tutigarite asenseme ya siasa na ekera bakenya baganyerete umuramo Prime Minister mukoro Raila Amolo Odinga gochekorario musimamo yoge siasa nigo muskera ira singerere gotabuna nigo arachi gokore bikaro na barai a kurunsi ya Kenya burenjere yamo yogo sangereria ebirengerero nabo igo ekirenge kenene no koreta bakenya amo burenjere yamo yogo kora obukurumi asense ya Kenya.
We want to create one united nation called Republic of Kenya. This is very important. So whatever we want to do or we intend to do is intended to serve that purpose. We want to eschew patriotism so that Kenyans become patriots. We are at a stage where we want to ensure that we implement our constitution, which constitution has been rated as one of the best in the world. Kenya. We want to ensure that all the provisions of our constitution are fully implemented. We want to take bad governance to the museum. We don't want to see our youth being abducted. We don't want to see corruption reigning in our country. We will fight corruption and finish corruption in our country. We want to see what you call equitable allocation of resources and sharing. No part of the country should be neglected.
We accepted that Baba should go ahead with consultations, which we think in the end is going to bring about a structured relationship. I am certain that Baba cannot go wrong when he is out to work for the people. And I am certain that we are going to have a structured relationship as we engage with other parties.
Murigereria togosika bosio nigo munyakerogo bwe komiti ya bochenu anene mona ase baraseria ba governor umuske muthomi njuki oyibo igoro mu governor bwe county ya Tarakaniti aboriri chinyagitari chiri cyabanyene ko babatwereru chingaki bagendete kurigereria emirobere aho bagendete kubeka emirobere aho yo gutinya umurobere ryosha nabo igo ko basaba baba batwereru akobuna nigo barache ko bakanari deniri ryabo rya NHIF.
Where we were advocating to do away with NHIF, which all of us know had been riddled by a lot of problems, is the inequitable distribution of resources in terms of claims, between the public facilities and the private facilities. We seem to be creeping back to that problem. We have refused to let the NHIF rest in peace because it still has debt obligations. Therefore, many of us, and when I say us, I mean Kenyans, including the private hospitals, have been praying for it not to completely die. Most facilities were owed money by NHIF. In fact, we are one of those people, the 47 counties. We were owed 12 million. The NHIF proposed that they have paid and they are now at 9 million. But when you talk to counties, when we take the debt obligations they have, we are still around between 10 and 12 million, billion that we are owed by SHA. Yet, we are still providing services without downing our tools. One of the issues SHA was supposed to address is to make sure that whether you are treated in a public facility or in private facility, the cost of the disease is the same.
Murigereria togo chigokora ni gabone serikali ya bekiro mokia sera chikobeko mokia unenchira ya moyo gokore mirobiro ya magendro ya chakire imeyensi ya Kenya korengana na Eludo walo ni gabono asabira ba Kenya ko babatoyereru nabo igo kumusabira umurayibwense bunenchira yamo yo kumubeko mokia nabo igo kumutinya ase eganga ya yo gokirania magendro imeyensi.
When it comes to implementation of priority government projects and programs, there is only one office that is authorized to undertake that. And that is the Office of the Deputy Chief of Staff in charge of performance and delivery management on behalf of His Excellency the President. That is where you will get official information and official data and official statistics. It's the interface between the government and all stakeholders, the media inclusive. So anytime you are looking for verifiable data, I encourage you as much as possible to visit the portal on the government delivery unit or engage us. We are ready to provide you with as much information as possible. When it comes to these so-called stall projects, these stall projects have not been started during the tenure of the current government. In fact, if anything, what we are trying to do is to make sure that those stall projects are completed. We don't want to be a bad government that abandons projects which were started by previous governments. We are ensuring that where those projects are proven to be feasible, we go ahead and complete them for the benefit of the Kenyan people. But we have projects which were started 20 years ago. Surely the current government, the fifth administration, cannot be blamed because we have had successive governments in between and those projects are still stalled. That notwithstanding, we are doing everything possible within the means and within the physical space that is available at the disposal of government to ensure that those stalled projects are completed.
Murigereria gwikiraga bunongo chigwikiria umwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bonga umwere korende chikoraga Chinsa ikomi ninchikoira naga igangoretera yo muna yande asenchira yo bonge nchengatire ni Nyaboga Wilson Makori kura sense Mary Manyererio na boyo Wilfred Matundra nere kura transmission aberega kweneke mura chibichechi na Mario ingo kirachira asenchira eri yo gwikirano twako ne rio burigerira borobya ase murubiro vibes on vibes oyorachi gocha sembya asige kagitari Getembe korende nabo kogenda gotobwa ati ase mitandao itege jamii Facebook na YouTube na Getembe Getembe TV boigonya kobote ujumbe na bogotutumira ase namba yetu studio era ase TV yao. Bye bye, tumirane cheka Chinsa chikomi.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganie bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri g'omusongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe terase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Chuo cha anuwai cha Rirage Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January